What's up, everybody? Doing a bit of a stream test here. Changed some settings around, re-plugged in a few things, and just want to make sure that stuff is not broken here. So we shall see. So we're gonna experiment. Yeah, Adam Wolf didn't get the text because this is a pop-up test stream. I guess he could have had test first redeem. I guess that could be a thing, right? Didn't think of that. But I wanted to test some settings here. So give me a minute here. We're gonna pop around. Let me know audio levels and stuff, because I've reset this up to stream to Twitch and YouTube. So we're gonna see what happens here, right? I want to test these settings, basically. So let's look together, shall we? All right. Cranky English guy talking. Oh man, I thought I fixed that. I really thought I fixed that. Okay, so looks like we're looking good on Twitch. Hang on, let's try a sound effect here. All right, which one do you want? We've got classic Wilhelm, a badum, crash, goat, sad trombone. Which one do you want? Just take it. So you'll have to tell me, because the stickers work. How does it sound by comparison to that music playing in the background? Because for me, the music's too loud here just because of the way Loop Deck is set up. But I heard the sticker, but it wasn't. Sounds perfect? Okay. Then in that case, that's not how it's going to work on the next stream, right? And my level's good compared to that. All right, let's go for a Wilhelm, shall we? All right, here we go. Wilhelm. Ah. I can't mute my microphone on the Stream Deck Plus for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm going to test it on the other one here. I got two Stream Decks here. Let's see. All right, when I push the button here, I'm going to talk. You won't be able to hear me. See, you didn't hear any of that, did you? Hopefully. Right. Okay, let's check. Let's check the YouTubes. I can't remember the address. I think that's it. Right. Oh, that's not me. No. No, that's not me either. Good Lord. That's me. Yeah. All right. Hoping. Oh, the lives come up. Okay. No, that's not me either. All right, cool. Looks like both are working again. Okay. All right. Someone pop over to the YouTube and try sending something. The white tubs. That one in the 5th slot looked just like you. Oh, if only it wasn't true. Oh yeah, look, you. Oh yes. Now I've got to have a YouTube redeem first, and I got to have a. Oh man, double the points, right? Just thought of that. Can you do that? No, I mean, you can't redeem on YouTube, right? Unless I got fancy with some script. 7th. Yeah. 7 stream streak. Look at you. I'm supporting the home team today. Yeah. All right. Let's try one of these. Let's try the, you don't have to redeem it. I'm going to give you this for free. For free? All right. Shh, no talking for 3 minutes.
I love it, Mama.
Wow, that 3 minutes seems like a really long time. Every dang time. With that hacker, thank you, redeemed, and I'll give you a free rehydrate. Okay, let's test this. All right, there we go. We should win, we should get the rewards, and we should move on to the second one, and then we do have some bugs here. All right, that doesn't go away. That's bug number one, right? Is it a bug if I know that I never actually coded it? I mean, does that make it a bug, or is that like a user bug? Is a user bug a thing? Should it be a thing? Should be a thing, right? And then this sort of updates. This bit here doesn't update. These are all known things, but I did get over here what I should have got, right? I got the rewards. Okay. Got all that. All right. Is it? I guess it's a user bug if I didn't code it, right? It's always good to be hydrated. It is. Thank you. Appreciate that. Especially on these streams, believe me. We're all driven to drink watching my streams, one type or another. So, yeah, we don't have here. The rewards are here now, right? And I actually could pull those in over here. So, what we're going to do is we gotta fix this up. I'll tell you why, right? Because if I go in here right now, right? Let me see if I can do this and not break the mouse, right? If I go in here, what you're gonna see on the boss info panel here, right? If I go to the rewards, it's just a text field right now, right? And what I've been trying to wrestle, I'm currently doing Swift 6 migration. I was already driven to drinking. Yeah, it's fair point. Yeah. What I'm debating here is if I show you this, right? Currently, I sort of made a conscious decision that you would only get 3 different rewards for each boss fight. But I'm sort of second guessing that a little bit now, right? But I think what I'm gonna do is start by spinning this up because I really want to get this first version, the first version of the second of the V2, which is what this is. I really want to get this in the hands of people. So I'm gonna set up a bunch of bosses with just 3 rewards for now, right? And then it's important to me to get to player feedback as quickly as possible. And I'm only doing that because I gave up on shortcuts integration. Oh, you gave up on it? Oh, which started telling me that's not allowed. You can't do that without telling me anything about what that is. Well, we can't tell you that. That's not allowed either. Later on, I need to start looking at some new API stuff. Because I said I would, and it's going to be difficult to talk about it if I didn't. But I also wanted to test this new stream setup. So, again, shout out to With Hacker, first time chatter. Thank you, appreciate it. Coco Type, who's an every time chatter. Thank you for that. And a happy 4th to all of those of you who celebrate. I also have some side project commitments to do for some other people. So it's going to be a busy, long weekend for me, which is cool. I like that. I think. I like it till I get there. So let's do this, right? This actually makes it easier. If they're all going to be 3 right now, I think you all see where this is going, right? Which is, we can just make this 3 lines in a text field. Too much chat. And what am I? Chopped liver? Yeah, compiles. Alternative universe me. Hello. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna get rid. Well, I'm gonna keep 1 line for layout purposes right now. All right. So we can actually record. We're just gonna call this 1. I think you know where this is going, right? 2. Finally, some. After I abandoned myself, I recognized myself. Alright, so let's bring that up to there, right? Let's bring the second row down here. This is gonna get tricky. Alright, hold on. So many lines. Right. And I could hide some of them, but I'm just dang lazy. I really should lay these out in a grid, but I'm so dang lazy. I'm just not going to do it for now. Because again, I want to get this to player feedback to figure out if any of this is right. Please tell me it is. No pressure. All right. So we've got our 3 rewards right there. Actually, you know what? We've got space. Because if you're looking at this on a phone and tapping things on a phone, I want it to be easy to see, right? Never mind, you're back. Did I go somewhere? Was it the alternative me went somewhere? I don't know. I did drop. Wow. Dang. I actually have 5 meg upload right now. 5000 kbps. This this never happens. And I'm wasting it doing this on a stream? Man, I should be streaming something more interesting. Okay, so we've got our 3 reward values there, right? And up here on boss info, hang on, let me find it. The stuff that populates boss info is... There's some scripts here. The boss view, right? This is the boss view, okay? We're gonna make this really easy. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna serialize these fields again, right? I am not gonna, come on, serialize. You don't want to fill it in today? I signed up for Claude Code earlier, and I really should integrate it over here, right? Text mesh, pro, an UGUI, boss reward 1. Yeah, you know what's going on here, right? 2, 3. Read 1 message up. Hang on. Oh, you mean I spelled serialize wrong. Look, if it can't recognize what I mean to type by now, there's no hope. Serialize. If I put serialize, does it give me extra fiber? No. Oh wait, the too much chatter was me and talking to myself and compile swift, is that? This is all getting very meta. Okay, so now that we've got that over here, right, what we're gonna do, try and find the bloody thing for starters. And is my message, uh-oh, did Spectrum get you, just not showing up? Oh no, I did not see that, no. On, I didn't see that on either one. Sorry. That would have made a whole lot more sense, wouldn't it? I'm looking in OBS. Well, actually, I'm looking on the web. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, that's why I didn't. Hey, for once I got it right. I couldn't read what I didn't see. I know, it won't happen again, I promise. I don't see it in YouTube or... Yeah, I don't see it in Restream Bot at all. That's weird. That never happens. You're normally got an ultra reliable connection. It's probably me, right? DMing, you're demeaning the screenshot. Okay, that's weird. It doesn't show up anywhere, and I promise you, I'm actually looking for once. All right. Okay, hold on. Actually, I gotta fix something here. You know what? That doesn't show up on any of my windows other than the Discord. That which proves you dropped for a minute. Oh, I just believed you. I just find it easier to just believe you by default. I know it's a mistake, but yeah. You know, what the hell? Oh, sorry. I just believe you. Yes, you did. Are you going to redeem it on both? I guess. Now, wait. Would that be Restream dropping it and coming back as a second one? Or me? It wouldn't be me. It could be me. It's all complicated. That's why this is a test stream, folks. Because I'm testing the new settings. See how they hold up. YouTube is dead to you. Because I wanted to stream to YouTube again, and Restream is a good way to do that, but I had problems before, so that's why I'm trying it this way. Because I want to get 3 watchers instead of 2. I know, it's all vanity. Okay, I'm trying to. Can this show me where I used it? Find reference in scene. Beautiful. Never done that before. That's fantastic. Okay. Look at that. Alright, but how do I not have that now? How do I get it back to... That's great and all, but... I want to go back now. Do I have to go back the hard way? That ain't gonna work, is it? Oh shit! This is great. How do I get out of it? If I do that, okay. Lesson learned. Okay, there it is, boss view, right? So what I want to put in here is the boss info. I need to give it these 3 rewards, and we're going to hook those up to code. And we should be good to fix this. Restream bot, Tim Cook. We've been watching your career with great interest for some time. We have decided you must die. We know no matter who is the one, we know his name. Okay. So the reason we want to do this, right, is over here. We're going to fix this here, and we're going to say, okay, so the boss, shoot, what did I call it? Boss reward 1. Oh, it's never a good sign when it doesn't fill it in. But I think it's fine. Equals boss boost. I can't even remember my... See, I've completely thrown... Tim Cook, you've thrown me off completely. We need your expertise at Apple. Oh! I don't think anyone's ever that desperate. But maybe. Alright, player data. Right, let me find this here, right? So reward 1, okay. I gotta focus here for a second, but specifically, as an English person, we know you're good at telling the EU where they can stop it. Oh, you know what? If you want to hire me for that role, I will commit to it with passion, believe me. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Reward 1, item 1. Okay. Just let me focus here for a second. Reward 1, item 1. Actually, let's just... Do I want to go with that for a second? Alright. Yeah, you know what? Hang on. We need our regular music here, don't we? Are we all missing the game songs? I think we are. Okay, hang on. And for those of you who are new to the stream and don't know what I'm talking about, I'll apologize before we start playing them. So for my games, we made some tunes because, well, because we could, is basically what it comes down to. So hold on, let's stop this one. Hopefully it's not going to be too loud. Let me know. I'm just a groundhog caught in the spin. Round around the sawdust grin. This would be the Drop Saw game, by the way, from last month. Yes, I know. I haven't pushed the release button. Okay. Let me work this out. Six. Is that going to compile at least? I should do that. Hang on. There we go. Spin me faster, twist my fate. Steals a lover I love to hate. Grind my fears and split my fate, but I'm still breathing. No. Alright. My bad. We could actually, maybe. Type resource types. Yeah. Okay. We've got item 1, reward 1. Okay, yeah, reward 1. I printed this out last time, and now I can't remember how I printed it out. How sad is that, right? Pretty sad. I'm trying to find a bloody window here. Hang on, where is it? There it is. Okay. And I think it was like this, actually. The string. In which case I don't even need that. Unless I got it wrong. And then I really need that. Canada play indexing with what, Peter? Okay. Ryder, I need your help. Hang on. And start Ryder. Forget everything I told you. Why is nothing world completing today? Oh. Okay, hang on. Boss. Nope. Reward 1. Yeah. My autocomplete is completely broken. I don't think it's gonna like this. But hopefully it's gonna tell me it's the wrong type. It can't convert resources. Good. Okay, can notify indexing with an expression of type. Yeah, great. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get some more hydration. Okay. I guess I've just completely forgotten how to access each part of the C# option. But I thought I named them. Did I not name? Oh, I didn't name these ones, did I? No, it's just the... Can I... Actually, I didn't think about it. Can I? Yeah, okay. Why didn't I do that? I totally should have given these a name and made life easier, right? Because now I can just do type, right? Actually, plus, space, no, quantity. Let's just concat this stuff, right? I mean, I get it. I should make this better, but I want to see if it works. We'll see. Don't think he's going to like that. Large number quantity does not contain a definition for quantity. No accessible extension because you're talking crap. Okay. But that should still give me errors, right? Quantity. I use the English slang way of doing it. Don't ask. Just don't ask. Okay. So now that looks like it's working. Just don't use the English language, alright? So now let's do this. Well, I'm the only one here, so I can laugh at my own jokes. That should correctly update. And we'll make some convenience functions for all of this nonsense so we don't have to keep typing it. Alright. At some point, about 5 years from now. Oh. Okay. 100 newbies, 5 desktops, 2 level 2 access. So it did it. It's not formatted particularly nicely right now, but I'm not really worried about that. What I want to do now is go over to my player data. Player data, there it is. Force that to 10. Hack a boss. Start. Hack like a boss panel, right? Boss fight. Hide it. Did these update? Yes, they did. Boom. The only thing that's not updating now is the picture. Still got a problem with that. We may ask some slightly more intelligent AI than me. Alright, but I could do that, make it a little prettier. There we go. This alignment really bugs me. But I've had worse things happen. Okay. Go Doc. Alright, good. You know what? Hang on. Where's the bug board? Let's cross this one off. Boss reward list does not change. Well, it does now. Dumb. Alright. Before I forget, I owe all of us one extra boss here that should go in right now. This one is 2 billion virtual groundhogs. Chat room goes wild. They know what it is. They chew cables. Still the bandwidth. You know what? They should be hard to beat. We're going to double it. But we'll make it worthwhile. We're going to give you 250 newbies. I'm going to give you 10. No, I'm going to give you 2 servers. Do I want to give you servers? Yeah, we'll give you servers. And we will give you 2 root access because you've worked hard for that. Alright? Chat room wanted groundhog bosses. They got groundhog bosses. Hello, Coach Connie. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're enjoying the long weekend. Also, in honor of you, we add the 2 billion groundhogs that were requested by the chat room a long time ago. But they're there now. Yeah. Alright. Let's do this. We're going to go to 100. Let's easily take out the first boss. I gotta finish that UI. Alright. Let's 2 billion virtual groundhogs. There they are. Alright, we gotta fix the layout. let's see. Boss. Title? No. Boss name. Boss name. 2 billion groundhogs is probably the longest name we're gonna have. I actually have a list of about 30 bosses, but I wanted to put that one in because people, the public demand it. Or at least one person in the channel.
In the Discord server late at night, with duck debuggers paddling along, we're quacking code by morning light. Share the iOS
2 billion virtual groundhogs. They chew the cables and steal the bandwidth. Actually, I think it was yours. I could be wrong. I think it was yours. And it's in there. Forever now. They're tough, those. Those things are tough, I tell you. Alright. But, you know what? I screwed up because that should be 2. So it should be Jane Java, then that one. That's why it looked weird. What about the Dev Go? Dev Duck is the Dev Go. Right? So I will easily beat this boss. Yep, there we go. Alright. We should get Jane Java. She looks weird. Still looks like Mono. And then, just to prove that when I came up with that idea about a month ago, it works. Alright, I gotta fix that's right, I didn't reset the UI. That's right. That's why I need to finish the UI panel. Okay. Alright. Before we go any further, let's cross off the 2 billion virtual groundhogs. They're done. It was because I caused that. Yeah, no, that's right. That's what I thought. Yeah, that's the way I remembered it. You just triggered the spawning though. It was his idea for the boss. All right. Hey, you know what? Take the credit, because if you hadn't have found the bug, he wouldn't have come up with it. I wouldn't have put it in the thing. Also, don't find bugs. Alright, there we go. Never mind, apparently it was my idea. To heck with Mono. There you go. No one's ever gonna stop you. Yeah, see, I thought it was a Discord thing too. Okay. Hang on, I totally thought it was that too. Yeah, look folks, look, hang on, because it's important, these things. Right, look. Right here somewhere. Hang on. 2 billion virtual groundhogs need to be a boss in Project Hack. Now! Okay, I may have been a bit late on the now, but isn't that tradition? Right? I mean, it's all about tradition. February. See, it's in the same calendar year. I mean, I didn't want to overly commit, right? Okay. For now, I'm not going to worry about the image changing. I want to finish up getting this UI into a usable state, right? Oh my god, look at all these things everywhere. Right? Because there is... Actually, I was playing around on a different machine is what happened. And there was a button after the fight, and I didn't add it here. So let's take this one, clone it, boss fight close. We'll call this. Alright. And I'm going to put in a whole bunch of extra info on the screen, so we're going to put it down there. Alright. Close. We need to change the action. Very simply, we're just going to call we're going to call something hide boss fight view. There it is. Okay. Now, that said, it's not going to be that easy. Never is, right? Never is. Alright, you going to help me out here? Surly eyes. Surly eyes filled. One day I'll type it right. Not today. Private. Button. Boss fight. Close panel. Surly eyes filled. What does surly eyes look like? I don't even know if I can make that. You're like, you look like it every day. Okay, when this one comes up, right? So when we show it, when we first show this panel, we don't want to see this. Boss fight, close panel, set active. I don't know why nothing is showing today on that. Okay, there we go. Now, however, if we go down here, right? If we win this fight because we're awesome, actually, no. No. We're going to show it anyway. Right? If we get to 100% progress. Rolling. We're rolling. Okay. Am I missing a directive? I didn't think I was. Right? What the hell? Why is it having such a hard day here? So actually, it's that one right there, right? Actually, if you look, we've lost all sense of reality here as far as... This must be a bug, right, in Rider, because we've actually lost most of our syntax highlighting. I'm giving it surly eyes filled right now. I got cursor on this machine. I should just use cursor. No, see, that's the thing. I don't think I am. Right? Actually, it's not even that one. It's that one right there. Right? Just want to be clear. But if it makes you happy. I don't think it will. I'm going to close it and open it again. Come on. Thank you. See, look. Now, it was there. You saw it. You saw it. We saw it and then we lost it. What's going on? Is Is it Writer or is it Unity? I mean, it can't be the user. It's never the user. Right? It's never the user's fault. Nope. Mm-mm. So it looks good. I'm not missing a directive. I know I'm not. I'm not missing one. Don't lie to me. Alright, look, I'm gonna prove it. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna take these back out. I'm gonna force you to reevaluate these files. See? Right. That one right there. Actually, I deleted the wrong one, but it doesn't matter. Let's get rid of that one. And let's get rid of that one, right? Look. See? You're bloody happy now, aren't you? Yeah. Alright, let's go up to the boss view. We will... I'm looking for a button. Hang on. It didn't accept that either. Did not appear on the panel. All right. See, it's highly suspicious that why is it when I'm hitting return, it's going back there. I want to try cursor. I don't know how, I mean, they're only C# files. So cursor should not have a problem. Right? Yeah, look, see, it came up perfectly fine there. Let's get that out of the way. Right? Yeah, look, see? This thing is at least remembering that part. Okay, button, boss, fight, close, panel, right? I don't know why it's doing that, but okay. When we show the boss fight view, we want to boss fight, close, panel, button, game object. Oh, actually, maybe I should have put game object. Set active, false. But still, look, at least our highlighting's working again now. Okay. Set it true. And that's what we wanted. Alright, sorry, Ryder. Bye-bye. Come on. Alright. Let's start by hiding the panel how it should be. That is how it's supposed to work. No more surly eyes! There's an easy way to write the test I'm currently trying to write. but only in Xcode 26. Oh, that's how they get you, right? Are you willing to take that risk? Well, you probably want to ship it now, right? So I'm guessing you probably don't want to take that risk, right? Okay, I gotta reset the hack the boss reference there, I think. Boss view. Yeah, I think I lost one here when I changed stuff. Hang on. I think that's my fault, because when you change the file, hang on. Boss fight close panel button. Game object. Set it active to false. I think that's my fault. Actually, you know what? Put it there as well. Got a feeling. That might break it. That might break as well. Because I don't think it can read the object in time. Well, sorry, I don't think it exists in time, is what I meant to say. Honest. 34. So let's get rid of this. Boss fight panel set active. Okay, I got to reassign shoot, hang on, what was it called? Boss fight view, boss fight panel is right there. A little confused. Hang on. Where did my? All right. Did I accidentally delete a reference again? I think I did. Okay. Oh, see, where did that? What? What's that all about? Something's weird here. Close it. Okay. When I want that, but I don't want it there. I want it there. And when actually I want it there. All right, and then at the end, blah 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 blah. here we want true. And Unity, please don't give me a hard time. Okay, player data. Bump. Set that to 10. Come on. Nope, I don't think I gave it enough of a chance. Do it again. You certainly don't want to upgrade. No. I mean, not that anything could go wrong, right? Okay, then shit gets weird, right? The variable boss fight close panel button, a boss fight view, has not been assigned. You probably need to assign the boss fight close button, but if there is a script with inspect now, I probably do need to reassign it. You're probably not wrong. I mean, it's there. I'm just gonna say. Actually, it's disappeared from the list again. Again. It's like somehow Cursor's doing something weird. Right? I don't know. Blah. See, like, what? Cursor's doing something. Got a feeling I ain't gonna like this. Something really odd going on here. Right? Okay, what the frick? maybe cursor wasn't such a good idea. Let's see what this file actually looks like. Cannot execute command. Unable to open file. That's probably not a good thing. Now that's not a good sign, is it? Let's save that file again. Alright, Unity, think about it again. Weird shit happening, right? I think Cursor may have put something in my file. Something going on here. I upgraded to a new version of Unity this morning. Probably not the best idea, right? I think that's my takeaway right now. That was not a good idea, Peter. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna leave this in so I can assign it. Bit worried though, the boss fight panel seems to have disappeared. Yeah. Something not happy about that file. Look at that. And then on the boss fight view, there we go. Okay, right now I think it's thought about it, and it's like, you know what? Okay, I understand. I need to reevaluate, and it did. All right. Okay, that's good. Now, I think that's gonna potentially, one of those is right, one of them's wrong. Yeah, it's that one. I feel like I'm playing somebody else's playlist here. Hack the boss. No close button. Do the thing. Close button, and we won the fight. Close it. Alright. Now the UI is probably wrong. Yeah, okay, good. I was expecting that. Also thinking I should have done a commit a long time ago. Kind of regret not doing that. But let's live dangerously, right? Alright, let's see. How's this test stream doing here? Hold on. Not bad. Okay, I think it's holding together. Looks like they're both streaming still. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna leave it there for now. Everything was good. I'm not gonna touch anything on the stream, so I guarantee you something's gonna break between now and next time. Which will be at the weekend. Because, hey folks, it's that time of day. Gonna go and have something to eat and do the stuff. Have a good one, everybody. Happy 4th to those who celebrate. Thank you for hanging out, everyone. We will do this again next time. I promise I'm not going to touch any stream settings, so I guarantee you something will change randomly. All right? Have a good one, everybody. I will catch up with you at the weekend. Good night. Yeah, it's like he's going to go to sleep for 6 hours. I know what's going to happen. Have a good one, everyone. See ya.